So after 1980, the feminist thinkers and the activists, they started using the term empowerment in terms of giving rights to women. Okay. According to Indian sociologist Yogendra Singh, the concept of empowerment has vast implication. It originated from the thinking of the movements of black and marginal groups, and it emphasized access to resources, occupation, education and health. So there was an Indian sociologist whose name was Yogendra Singh, and he said that the concept of empowerment was first used in terms of black lives. Right now you know about the thing that Black Lives Matter has become a big thing because US માં એક black આદમીને police વાળાએ ખોટી રીતના મારી નાખ્યો. So there's a big movement in America wherein they are fighting for the rights of the blacks. Now what has happened that for a very long time in America, the people who were blacks were not given rights. Okay, they were not treated properly because of their skin color. Okay, so in America and all these places, empowerment was used in terms of giving them equal rights, giving them education, giving them health, proper health facilities, etc. In the context of India, thinking and movement for women empowerment is found connection in agitation for independence and women liberation. Now this is what we spoke about America, but however in India empowerment is associated with women. Okay, and when did women start getting empowered? When they took part in independence movement. We all know that when Gandhiji was protesting, એના પ્રોટેસ્ટની અંદર ખાલી મેન ન હતા. Okay, Dandi March, non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, even women became part of it, and they realized that in our life we have much better role. We are not limited to kitchen. Okay, we can also fight for freedom. Okay, and that is how even women got empowered. Okay. The word power in empowerment means intimate relation with liberal thinking about decision making process. Power is important in women empowerment and includes strength and influence. So the word empowerment, so the word power આવે છે. What does that mean? Power mean over here the ability for a woman to take decision for themselves, that I should not have to ask permission from someone. I should be independent enough, I should be educated enough to know what my power is and my ability to take whatever decision I want to take about my life. Okay. In simple words, women empowerment is indicated to power among women which makes them unable to live an independent life. Power means what? To live my life independently. That I don't have to go around in the society begging people by permission. No. I should be independent enough to take my own decisions. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the definition. Renuka Pamya. When women empowerment means social justice and equality or independent recognition of women or their acceptance of human beings. So women empowerment means what? Social justice. Social means samaj and justice means ન્યાય. તો સામાજિક ન્યાય મળવો જોઈએ એમને સોસાયટીમાં. Okay, they should have justice in the society which they live in. Equality. Okay, equality of them with that they are equal to men and independent enough to take their decisions on their own, and that society should accept them as human beings, that we are also human beings. We are not જાન જનાવર કે ભાઈ તમને મન થયું ત્યારે અમને કાંઈ પણ અમને કેવી રીતના ટ્રીટ કરી નાખે. No. Okay. Next is Shushila Parikar. You can learn any definition which you like. Women empowerment is indicative of women being resourceful. Concepts of both power and resource are linked with quality of life. Resourceful. What is resourceful over here? Okay, women should be used in the development of the society, in the development of economics, in the development of politics, in development of everything. Okay, that they are a useful thing, that they are equal to men, that they are also responsible for the development of the society that they are living in, that not only men is responsible for the development of the society. Thus, women empowerment is changeable and multi-dimensional concept. Multi-dimensional એટલે એના ઘણા બધા angles છે empowermentના જોવાના. Education બી છે, society બી છે, politics બી છે, lot of different sections are there. Okay. It includes change in self and social image. જ્યારે હું empower થાઉં ત્યારે હું મારી selfને શું જોઉં કે I am an independent person. I have done a job. I have taken my own decision. So I am proud of myself. So how I look at myself, the self-esteem, my self-esteem becomes higher. Naturally it becomes higher. Okay, because I am educated, I know my rights, I know that nobody can put me down, not even my bloody husband. Okay, and I should live a quality of life, nice life I should be living. I should not be scared of the life I am living. अरे હું આ डिसीजन લઈશ તો ભાઈ મારો વર મારી પર ગુસ્સે થઈ જશે, મારી ફેમિલી ગુસ્સે થઈ જશે, સોસાયટી ગુસ્સે થઈ જશે. No. Sorry, I'm being a little extra, but I get very excited with women empowerment. Okay, and that you are able to take your own decisions in life, and you should know where you stand. You don't need to take permission from anybody else.